there, gardener friends. Do you have a shady spot in your yard that you'd like to be prettier? Maybe you've tried planting something there, but it just didn't work out. Figuring out what grows well in the shade can be a little tricky, but don't worry, a beautiful shade garden is totally possible. Today we're going to explore some fantastic plants that really do have it made in the shade. Hi, I'm Lorna, the University of Extension Master Gardener. Let's walk through a few things that'll help you choose the right plants for those lower light areas. First things first, not all shade is created equal. Think about the kind of shade your garden gets. Is it dappled shade from tall trees with some sunlight peeking through the leaves? Or is it deep shade like under a second-story deck or maybe on the north side of a building? Also, when the shade happens makes a difference. Morning shade with afternoon sun is very different from the reverse, and your plants will feel that difference too. And what's your hardiness planting zone? The Kansas City area is 6B. Are you not sure of your hardiness zone? We've got 2 videos on this channel that explain it in a fun and simple way. Now let's talk soil. Is it usually wet in your shaded area? Is it dry? Is it somewhere in between? If you're planting near water or in a low area, the soil might stay pretty damp. But under big trees, it's usually dry since the tree roots are soaking up a lot of the moisture. No matter what kind of soil you're working with, you can always give it a boost with some compost. It helps improve drainage and heavy clay, and it adds moisture-holding power to your sandy soil. It's a win-win. Okay, now let's brighten things up a bit with some colorful flowers. Do you want blooms all summer long? Go with annuals, like impatiens or begonias. They only last a year, but they really bring on the color. Do you prefer something that comes back every year instead? Then try perennials. Each plant's bloom season may be a little shorter, but you can plan for that. For example, Virginia bluebells provide early spring color, lady's mantle starts blooming in late spring, and then toad lily is a late summer stunner. Want to keep it native? Some of my favorite native perennials for shady spots are things like blue lobelia, celandine poppy, and downy phlox. And hey, flowers aren't the only stars of the shady garden. Foliage can be just as stunning. Think hostas in so many colors, textures, and sizes. Ferns to add texture and elegance. Or maybe caladiums with their bold, colorful leaves. Solomon's seal is a native that arches gracefully with tiny blooms. Ground covers are like nature's carpet. They help keep moisture in, cover bare spots, and some of them even flower. Great options include ajuga, lamium, maybe some liriope. For native choices, you might try wild ginger or roundleaf groundsel, maybe Pennsylvania sedge. They're all great low maintenance and good for our pollinators too. Don't forget about the shrubs and trees. They'll add structure and year-round interest. Some shade-loving shrubs would be azaleas or hydrangeas, or maybe a native beautyberry whose purple berry clusters stay into the winter. Japanese maples are a classic tree for shade in the Kansas City area, and they come in a wide range of sizes, textures, and shapes. Now, any tree that's considered an understory variety will thrive in shade conditions. For native Missouri trees, you cannot beat the eastern redbud or the flowering dogwood. The flowering dogwood, by the way, is our state tree. One quick tip, keep an eye out for microclimates in your yard. These are small areas where the temperature or conditions are just a little different. Maybe it's more sheltered or sunnier in the winter. In the right spot, you might even be able to grow something like a camellia, which normally would need a warmer zone. A spot on the warmer south side of your house and out of the harsh winter winds might coax it into rewarding you with some lovely blooms. So whatever type of shade garden you have or you want to have, just remember, put the right plant in the right place and your results will be spectacular. Do you need help finding the perfect plants? You might check out the Mobot Plant Finder. It's super easy to use. And the Grow Native website is a goldmine for info about native plants that will thrive in the shade. Now, if you like this Tuesday tip, please give it a thumbs up. Check out the guide sheets and links in our Show More section, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next gardening video. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the garden.